And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hello, this is number 3. Let me put this camera up here. This is number 3 of my advice to new posters to YouTube playlist. Today we're going to talk about money. You know, the filthy lucre, that crap that lawyers worship. yeah, that crap that lawyers worship, money. Now, to make videos for YouTube costs money. Unless you're a little girl and mom or dad just gave you an old laptop with a webcam in it and forgot to scrub their YouTube log on, making videos is going to be expensive. Computer, camera, editing software, more cameras, lights, microphones, batteries, memory cards, all expensive. And we haven't talked about your underwater basket weaving yet. Well, first of all, that big in-ground pole to do the underwater basket weaving in, unless you got one, you're going to have it dug. That costs money. Ooh. Then there's the stuff you're weaving. Think it grows on trees? Well, not in this country. They got to import that stuff. So that's expensive. Everything involved with making a YouTube video costs money. And people aren't afraid to charge you. They really aren't. Now, I'm not going to advise you on where to get your stuff for making YouTube videos because I don't know how elaborate your underwater basket weaving is. But don't count on getting rich from YouTube videos. Do not. You got to have 1,000 subscribers and 10,000 hours of playtime before they even think. That's the mailman. About giving you some money for the advertising revenue. Well, I got corporate sponsors. Good luck with that. You think you're going to have corporate sponsors? Unless you got a contract. No. Well, someone will set up t-shirts and posters and stickers for my channel. That costs money. You got to have that crap made. Yeah. So everything costs money. You got to be exceptional to make money on YouTube. I mean, 16-year-old girl sings like an angel. Yeah, she got 1 million subscribers. Yeah. I'm sorry, but what can I say? Anyway, don't count on making money. Count on spending it, and spending it, and spending it. And your payback? Enjoying watching your videos on YouTube. Occasionally someone will talk to you, even if you don't want them to. You don't want, like what they say, they will talk to you. But then if you like people doing cat calls, hissy, saying, you don't know diddly, you'll get them too. Oh, anyway, it all costs money. And you ain't gonna make none. You're not. Unless you're corporate shill. Oh, I mean, online sales representative, you know. You ain't gonna make no money. And from what I understand, most of the guys, if someone sends them something, use this on your channel, show it to everyone, that's what they get. The thing they used on the channel. Maybe something else, you know. Oh, here, try this. You don't have to use it on the channel, but no. And donations, hold your breath on that one. Yeah, hold your breath real good and tight. Then when you wake up on the floor, maybe you realize that you're doing this for fun. So, be ready for what you encounter making YouTube videos. And good night from California.